Hey guys, so I just wanted to share with you all if you went onto the Google Drive, onto our Maps Google Drive, there is a little folder here called Pat Practical Videos. So this is Pat Thompson, the guy from Katara High, who's been doing our casual days at our school on Thursdays. So he's done a few, well, there's just one video in there at the moment. He will be um, this one's probably more suited towards primary. It's probably a little bit too tricky for 2-3J might be able to do it, but for infants it's probably a little bit too tricky. There's a PDF version there of it's an A to Z fitness challenge. And then if you go in here as well, there's a 7-minute video and he does demonstrations um, of all the exercises and techniques and stuff. So it only goes for 7 minutes. You could chuck it on one of your lessons for this week for your kids. So I'll let you know when there's further videos on there. So hopefully that infants can use as well. So stay tuned.